Hi, I'm Azalea Camacho, Archivist and Special Collections Librarian at Cal State L.A. University Library. In this 2-minute tutorial, we'll go over the types of resources you can find in special collections and archives and how you can request a research appointment. First, what exactly are special collections and archives? Special collections include rare books, manuscripts, papers, textiles, and thousands of other items that are of unique value and importance to the study of material culture, history, literature, and much more. Archives are the collections of historical records that are established to document the lives of individuals as well as organizations. Archives are tied to people and their daily activities. The items found within our Special Collections and Archives department are often fragile, rare, and valuable. They are usually composed of primary sources. But what are primary sources? Primary sources are first-hand accounts of direct evidence of a historical event or a time period. These can be things like letters, manuscripts, diaries, oral histories, government documents, and newspapers, just to name a few. The value of primary sources is that they give you a deeper understanding of history. They provide opportunities to make your own conclusions about a particular time, place, or person you're studying. It's kind of like going back in time. One of the largest collections in our library is here in our university archives, which holds materials like photographs, documents, and artifacts outlining the history of Cal State L.A. Aside from our university archives, our 3 main categories within special collections are rare and unique books, manuscripts, and digital collections. You can learn more about our collections and services by visiting our website at calstatela.edu/special collections. If you need research help or would like research assistance finding primary sources that fit your research topic, go to our website and click on Request Research Help. If you already know what collection you want to use, you can click on Request an Appointment. Make sure to fill out both forms to the best of your ability, and we will reach out to you within 24 hours. Be sure to check out all the videos in our 2-minute tutorial series on our social media channels and on our website at calstatela.edu/library.